This voice is talking directly to the innate wisdom. You can make all positive changes instantly. I always change my reality at the speed of consciousness. This subliminal is altering my subconscious mind and my reality right now. You are easily changing. Yes, I can easily change my reality like magic. Miraculous things happen to me as magic increases within my life. I accept now that my life is fluid and changes at the speed of consciousness. I expect things to go right for me. This subliminal is forcing my body-mind to make all changes instantly. This subliminal is instantly changing my reality. I know I can change my reality right now. I believe that subliminals work very quickly. My results are always instantaneous. This subliminal is deeply powerful and shifting reality to my desired result. All energies blocking me from receiving results instantly are dissolved now. Innate wisdom. This subliminal is now going to completely remove all fears, memories, and levels of consciousness relating to being punished. Innate wisdom. Seek and retrieve any active memories of being punished for being naughty or bad, and remove them all instantly. I am removing all memories I hold of being punished for my expression. I am good and deserve rewards. You are good and deserve rewards. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the 5 senses. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the nervous system. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the brain. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the diaphragm. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the pelvis. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the genitals. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the kidneys. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the bladder. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the heart. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the thymus. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the adrenals. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the mind. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the body. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from the spirit. Innate wisdom. Remove any fear of punishment from all areas of the body-mind, completely and absolutely. Innate wisdom. Remove any mind crystals formed around the fear of punishment. Innate wisdom. Remove any hereditary levels of consciousness that hold the belief that the naughty or bad deserve to be punished. I am releasing all beliefs around punishment from my entire genetic code. I no longer need to experience punishment on any level. I am not the punisher or the punished anymore. You have broken the cycle. Yes, I have broken the cycle. I now expect only to be rewarded. You expect to receive rewards. My 5 senses expect to experience pleasure now. I allow my life to be sensually beautiful. Innate wisdom. Restore full natural consciousness to the 5 senses now. I anchor my 5 senses through my heart, mind, and my brain. My 5 senses have every filter removed now. My body expects to experience pleasure and joy. I open the doors now to full sensual joy and satisfaction. You deserve all the good things that life has to offer. I deserve to receive all resources now. I know that I am a good person who deserves all rewards in life. I am being rewarded now for any little action I take. You are receiving rewards now for every little action you take. I expect to be rewarded every day. Life is so easy and pleasurable. I now know that I'm always rewarded for my amazing existence. I am gaining all good things from life. I deserve good health. I am healthy. I deserve plenty of wealth. I am wealthy. I am always rewarded every day just for being. You are happy and secure within yourself. Yes, I am happy and secure within myself. Any small effort I make reaps enormous benefits. I am claiming all of my benefits now. The doors of pleasure and abundance are open. Life rewards me now. My full body mind has now completely recovered from my childhood. I release all stored levels of consciousness around the concept of being punished for who I am. I am amazing. You are amazing. My life is now peaceful and harmonious every day. People treat me with love and respect. Everything I do is good enough. I always gain massive rewards now. You gain massive rewards now. Any effort I make reaps better than expected results. Life flows so easily for me. My authentic expression is beautiful. I appreciate you. I expect to be rewarded whatever I do. My family love and cherish me now. Everyone respects me for who I am. I do everything very well. You are very good at doing. You are so good. I am so good. My sensual self expects to feel pleasure now. My 5 senses are renewed and drawing pleasant experiences into being. My 5 senses expect to find rewards and joy. I expect to experience pleasure. My body is always healthy and strong. I have a very strong body that easily releases stress. You have an incredibly strong body now. My body easily lets go of other people's emotions. I easily let go of my own active emotions. My life is a beautiful experience. My body expects pleasure every day. My sensual self is fully released and rewarded. My sensual self is good. My body is good. The world I live in is good. Life rewards me every day just for being. Rewards are pouring into my life, and I accept them with open hands. I know I deserve resources and love. I now realize fully how valuable my existence truly is. Other people value me. I feel loved and respected now. My body expects each day to be very pleasant. Innate wisdom. Remove anything that blocks self-love now. My heart-mind loves me. I open myself fully to self-love. I love myself. My heart-mind opens up now to self-love. I love myself with all of my heart. My heart knows I deserve to be loved. It is so easy for me to love myself. I give myself permission to love myself fully. I give myself permission to feel loved. Innate wisdom. Remove any pathological consciousness now from the pituitary gland. Innate wisdom. Restore the consciousness of insight. I see clearly. I see myself clearly. You see very clearly. People see me clearly. I have removed every mask I was wearing. My living space is calm and alkaline. I am calm and alkaline. The pH value of my life is 7.7. I live in a sensually beautiful and stimulating calm home. Everyone in my home loves me and treats me with gentleness. My life is calm and fun. Whatever I do it well. I am confident in my actions. I deliver amazing results, and I believe in myself. You are highly creative and gifted. I have healthy, happy kidneys. My kidneys reward me every day. My kidneys feel calm and relaxed. I have a perfect pH value of 7.7. My kidneys are healthy and functional. I am functional. I love my kidneys. I have always had very strong kidneys. My sacral chakra and my base chakra are highly balanced. My sacral chakra is rebooted to full natural consciousness. My sacral chakra is very fluid. My sacral chakra is in balance with the water element. My solar plexus chakra is rebooted to full natural consciousness. I have amazing self-esteem and willpower. I feel confident in this world. You are gaining huge benefits and rewards right now. I am rewarded with perfect health. I am rewarded with a perfect family. I am rewarded with a perfect home. I am rewarded with a perfect job. I am incredibly robust. You are incredibly robust. I open my hands and heart to receive blessings and rewards now. My life is now overflowing with good fortune and amazing rewards. I just tapped into the universal source of all good things. I manifest sensual happiness. My 5 senses are calm and filled with joy. My life is full of sweet aromas. My life is soft and kind. I expect people to love and nurture me. Home is a happy place, full of love. My home is safe and I feel safe in my home. I feel at home wherever I am. I see the concept of home as a safe place. Home brings me great joy and comfort. Family brings me joy and comfort. I am incredibly loved and supported. My life is functional. I am functional. My family is functional. My life is fun. I integrate this subliminal through my entire body mind. I receive this subliminal healing and accept it throughout my entire body mind. Thank you, punishment, for teaching me about myself. Thank you, little me, for trying to keep me safe. Thank you. I know that I am divine consciousness now. Separation is an illusion. Thank you, divine creator of all that is.